guess what it is? Well, it's about Africa's culture. Africa is a continent that's large and wide, with a diverse of cultures. And one of them that really surprised me, because it's weird and strange but it's exciting, is the mask culture. So, do you have any questions and I'll answer them? And here are a few questions that a few people asked me. And I'm going to answer them all. So, first of all, why are they important? Well, you might wonder, what? What does that mean? Well, you might wonder, that makes no sense, because how can the masks be important for the people of Africa? Well, they are important. If you don't believe me, then here's something that I'll tell you. So the reason why they wear it is because they believe that if you wear a mask that resembles something, then you can talk to them or talk to their souls. And they'll give you their luck, their power, and their strength to chase beasts out of the village. Which, yeah, it seems real, but it's actually a myth. And also, how were the masks used? Which is one of the questions that other people ask me. So, yeah, that's a good question. First of all, they used for luck, protection, fighting, and even festivals. Well, have you ever gone to South Africa and saw a mask festival? Well, you might see them dancing on stilts and wearing masks. Yeah, that's an example of a mask festival. And now, who made the mask? Well, yeah, one person asked me this. Well, all over the country, everyone in Africa made the mask. Well, yeah, it's because they use the mask to protect themselves from dangers. Yeah, just like what I mentioned in the question 1. Which really means everyone uses them. And also everyone makes them. For example, here I have an image of a craftsman making a mask. Can you see how he makes the mask? And also, one person asked me, can you mention one of the materials that are used to make masks? Well, I can. Wood, yeah, acrylic, glass, paper. Oh wait, no, not glass, paper. But the weirdest one is bricks, because who would ever make a mask with bricks? Well, yeah, so those are the materials that are used to make masks. But I'm also going to tell you how to make a paper mask at the end of the presentation. So, one person asked me, what are the types of masks? Well, I only know one, but yeah, it's called the Bambi Leica, and it's really famous. Well, if you don't know about that, then you can search for it. Yeah, you can search for it on Google. And also, here's a question that one person asked me, which is the last question. Masks are one of the humanity's oldest art forms. So, how do we know this, and how are they originally considered important? Well, I already answered how they were considered important in the first question. So let's consider how are they an old art form. So, have you ever heard of someone drawing a mask? Well, you might. And one of them is the famous mask art. And one of them is Pablo Picasso. He is an artist that draws paintings using masks. Well, he doesn't use masks and draws on them, but he is inspired by masks and starts to draw paintings that look like the mask, but it's much more better for me. Let's see how he uses the mask. So here's a picture of one of his paintings. Can you see how he used the mask? Well, definitely you can. And also here's another one. Can you see it? Yeah, he's really good. But he is inspired when he's taking a look at the mask from Africa. So now let's make our masks that are inspired by after looking at the pictures of masks in Africa. So first off, you need a paper, any type of paper. At least it's strong, okay? It's waterproof. Because if you accidentally drop it into the water, then you have to make it again. So first off, you need a waterproof paper. So I have one right here. So first you take a paper, cut it into any style you want, but what I want is a warrior style. So I'm just gonna cut it into the Discord logo, and then I use the papers, which are cut into circles, trapezoids, and triangles, and also more like hexagon and more rectangles and squares. Yeah, then I'll glue them to the mask, and then I'll take a piece of marker, a pen marker, and then draw something on it. But for me, you don't have to follow this. You can make your own one. For example, you might paint it, you might cut it more, or you might just, well, fold it into a better style. Yeah. Well, for me, the last thing I need is a piece of string, and then tie it to the mask. And then it's finished. That's how you make a paper mask. So that's all I want to tell you guys. And that's all I have.